Hi, I'm Kirsten. Making a privacy window with gallery glass has never been easier. Let's get started. The first thing to do when creating a privacy window is you want to measure your window, scale it to size, and make sure it fits, whether it be a side light, the center of your front door, make sure that it fits perfectly. And then you simply print your pattern. Once your pattern is printed, you want to just use tape to temporarily tape it to the outside of the door that you will be decorating. Once you've applied your pattern, there's two simple ways to create a pattern with your lead lines. You can simply use the instant leading strips, or you can use liquid leading that you have created your own strips on a scrap piece of glass. To apply the leading strips, you simply peel them off the glass, attach them to your window, following the pattern, and then press them down. And then if you're using the instant strips, you could just solder those together using our liquid leading. Once you've completed the entire pattern with your leading strips, then you simply fill and apply your color. You can do different colors, you can do a combing technique. The gallery glass paint is perfect for vertical or horizontal application and absolutely will not run. Once you've applied all of your paint and your color is complete, you simply let that dry and you have a beautiful privacy window. The most unique thing about all the gallery glass products, the paint and the lead, is it is permanent until you don't want it anymore, and then it is completely removable. To remove it, you simply use the cutting tool out of our toolkit, start scraping it, and remove it completely from your glass. So one of the tips that I want to teach you today is how to create a cling for the main design elements of your large pattern and then fill it in and have a beautiful privacy window. When creating a cling, the first thing that you want to do is you want to find your favorite pattern, enlarge that to fit your window, and then find your largest design elements on your pattern. Whatever those large design elements are, get a scrap piece of glass and create a cling by just placing the glass over your pattern, filling it in with color, and letting that dry. Then it becomes a removable sticker that you can then place on your window to begin creating your privacy window. Once your clings are dry, you simply remove them off the glass and place them on the pattern. Press down and make sure they're just smooth on your glass piece. Then, using either instant lead strips or liquid lead strips that you created with notebook paper that are dry, simply connect the rest of your pattern. Once you've leaded your entire pattern, pressed everything down and made sure it's perfect, simply color your privacy window. Pick the color that's perfect for your home decor or crystal clear, which creates a beautiful textured glass. For more tips, tricks, patterns, inspiration, and so much more, go to plaidonline.com/galleryglass.